Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made the most gorgeous Sakura shaker necklace. Now listen, I know that this thing is massive, okay? I know that this is actually advertised as a coaster mold. However, you know that for me, more is more, bigger is better, and I love to be 1000% extra, okay? So we're making it into a necklace. I'd like to say a big thank you to Funshowcase for supplying me with the vast amount of materials that I'm using in this project. Pretty much everything apart from the epoxy resin is from there. So definitely do check out their website. It's in the description box below along with a discount code. Now in this, I'm actually using both epoxy and UV resin. So this is my first layer and this is all epoxy resin. And I just mixed in lots of glitter and iridescent flakes. And I made sure that it didn't go past that coaster bit there in the middle. I'm now using my heat gun just to blow out some bubbles, and with the leftover resin I just poured it into this smaller Sakura mold, which I also got from Funshowcase, and that's going to become a ring, but you'll see that a little bit later. Next, the second layer is a clear layer of epoxy resin, and of course I had to put in Pusheen. You know that I love me some Pusheen, and yep, this sticker fits perfectly inside of this mold. This is actually a necklace. It's not even for me, it's for another Pusheen fan. Hey Sammy, hope you're doing good, girl. She absolutely loves the colors purple, green and blue, and I have some gorgeous glitters here. So girl, I went to town, okay? These glitters are absolutely gorgeous. So for this third layer, I'm using UV resin for the simple fact that I'm just impatient, okay? But you guys already know this. I was so impatient. I wanted to see just how gorgeous that it would come out, and it turned out beautifully. Now the UV resin from Funshowcase, it is a lot thicker than what I'm used to. So I actually had to get myself a much stronger lamp in order for it to cure in the way that I wanted it to. Now that my lamp is like 86 watts, it cures just fine and it comes out so nice and smooth. I am so happy with it. How gorgeous is this though? Like, can we just? Oh my goodness. Next, I'm adding in some gorgeous little like iridescent stars in the same colors of the purple, the blue and the green, and I added in some pink flowers there as well, just to, you know, like offset those colors a little bit. Then you want to just cut out a circle of shaker film, pop some UV resin around the perimeter, place that down and cure that. Then I drilled a hole on the side, added in my baby oil, sealed that bad boy up, and honey child, the necklace was done. I absolutely love this. Oh yeah, don't forget to dome it as well, because, you know, it has to all be like encased. But yeah, apart from that, it's done. I just love this necklace so much. To be honest, Sammy, I don't know how I even managed to send it to you, along with this little ring as well, because they were just too gorgeous. You almost didn't even get them. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then please do subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.